everyone, and welcome to Nature's Grace Miracles of Holistic Healing. My name is Dr. Neelam Parwani, the founder of Nature's Grace, a holistic healer, Reiki Grandmaster, and advanced yoga therapist. And today we have someone who's from a different world altogether. He's not a healer, he's not a coach who goes into alternate or holistic healings, but he's a healer of money. Yes, we all want money, we all want financial abundance. So this time we have taken a little different path and got somebody who's an expert in e-learning, business and digital sales. Welcome Ashish ji on the platform of Nature's Grace, and we would first like to know a little bit about you.
Thank you for this amazing introduction, Dr. Neelam. What I really liked about was healer of money. Thank you for such words.
So tell us something about yourself, how you started this journey. When did you actually thought of doing something like this?
Okay, I'll tell you what happened was, it was the year 2013. In the year 2013, things were not going so well. I was working in a management institute in Uttarakhand only, and almost 3 months of my salary was due. So the journey started while going to Patna. Okay. I was being sent from my institution in the year January 2014 it was. I was being sent to Patna from my institution to do counseling, coaching and training of the students, because that's the model. The model is you go to schools, colleges and coaching institutes and places, and then you get students. So there, I don't know what happened. I went to the Buddha's museum, and then the moment I was in Buddha's museum, some spark of light or something, I don't know. I cannot mention. I don't know what happened, but something happened. I can just sense it out. That's it. Okay. There only, and while on the journey and during that, while on the journey and during that journey by train, I thought of starting a consulting company called Topaz Consulting. I was there with one of my colleague from my same college. I said, we are doing something for students and then others. Why don't we start something? Because, you know, when I went to Patna, first it was Buddha's museum. Then I went to somebody's coaching institute, and he was sitting outside. And that place was it was very good place, very good place. And you know, I asked him, what do you teach? He was the owner of that coaching institution or place, and he said, Ashish, I don't teach. I allow people to teach. मैं पढ़ाता नहीं पढ़वाता हूँ. Okay. That was a bulb on moment for me. मैं पढ़ाता नहीं पढ़वाता हूँ. Then I asked him again, is this your own place? He said yes. कहने लगे अगर 2 साल पहले आते तो आप देखते ये छपरेल टाइप का था कुछ. Now ये पूरा का पूरा building है. It is. So that was first bulb on moment for me of flash or light of entrepreneurship. I said ये तो कभी दिमाग में आया ही नहीं कि करवा भी सकते हैं, कर भी सकते हैं, करवा भी कर सकते हैं. That's how the entrepreneurship bug actually, I didn't know that entrepreneurship bug has actually hit me hard at that point of time. The train journey, during the train journey, I thought of creating Topaz Consulting. We started having a document of Topaz Consulting, which always was in just in documents, never realized. So what we thought of was sending our resume to so many, the consulting offer to so many coaching institutions, other places that we will do coaching, counseling and training for you so that you can get students. But ऐसा होता नहीं है. What the initial plans that you have, because you see something in your corporate world or your working world, and you feel that, okay, if this can happen, this can happen to me also. But normally it's not the case. So I have sent ABCD XYZ things to so many places, and from one of the place, it was Ludhiana, and Mr. Shambhu Tewari was there. He is heading the center called Institute of Banking Training, IBT. So I sent my resume to him also. I said, brother, I need some support. I need a job or something like that. And if you could send me, if you could basically, this is my consulting proposal. हम लोग आपके इंस्टीट्यूट में आके कोचिंग एंड ट्रेनिंग के लिए, मतलब जो भी स्टूडेंट्स उनके लिए हम लोग आपका काउंसलिंग कर सकते हैं, सो दैट यू विल गेट स्टूडेंट्स, मोर एंड मोर स्टूडेंट्स. ही सेड ओके, आई विल सेंड इट टू द मेन हेड ऑफिस ऑफ आईबीटी इंस्टीट्यूट, एंड ठीक है, वहां से देखते हैं. नो रिस्पॉन्स फ्रॉम देयर. नेक्स्ट डे आई आस्क्ड व्हाट हैपेंड. ही सेड कुछ ज्यादा रिस्पॉन्स तो नहीं है, बट यू डू वन थिंग, व्हाई डोंट यू वर्क विद मी. आई सेड करना क्या होगा. ही सेड जो मैं करता हूं वही करना होगा. And this was the second moment. I said, Are? There is some power. I said, if he can keep me into his system, there is something into the entrepreneurship, something, because he's saying वही करना होगा जो मैं करता हूँ. मैं कहा, तुम क्या करते हो? कहता है, just managing institution. I'm just into this institute. And then he gave me an opportunity. He said, okay, what you can do right now is, if you don't, because I was not interested to go there, because I was having a full time job. वो अलग बात है कि 3-4 महीने की सैलरी ड्यू थी, जॉब तो फिर भी चलनी थी. फिर उनको बोला कि ओके, सेंड मी द प्रपोजल. ही सेड, इफ यू सेल 2 franchisees, that's very important thing, that's very simple thing. एक franchisee cost was around 1.5 to 2 lakh rupees, so you'll be getting around 15,000 rupees per franchisee. I said, wow, amazing. 2 franchisees महीने में बेच दी, काम हो गया. I went to so many places here in my locality and other places looking for people who can take the franchisee. But again, theory is theory. It was not a practical gyan, it was just a theoretical gyan. So I said, okay, I was looking for people. Nobody took the franchisee. Then while I was reading the franchisee proposal and everything, that itna square feet jagah chahiye, ye chahiye, this A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z. Then again, third flash of moment. ये तो मैं भी कर सकता हूँ.
Okay. So this is exactly the way we also all have come into the healing world, you know. पहले हम healing लेते हैं, फिर हम realize करते हैं कि हम खुद भी healer बन सकते हैं, और फिर हम healing देना चालू करते हैं. So it's exactly the same thing. पहले आप किसी और के पास जाते हो, फिर आपको proposal मिलता है, then you try to sell it, and eventually you take it up. That's an amazing, interesting journey you have, Ashish ji, over there. And I think everybody has this enlightenment moments in their life, and it is your opportunity कि आप उस moment को grab करो और आगे बढ़ो. And I think you grabbed it at the right time. Now, yes. Coming back to your present day, आज जो आप कर रहे हैं, which is very clearly says monetize your skills.
Yes.
As far as monetize या money जो term है, वो हम सबको समझ में आता है, और हम लोगों को आज तक यही बताया गया था, money comes when you sell something, a product or a skill. But monetizing your skill is a very different kind of a term. Monetizing your product is something I understand कि बहुत आसान है, आपको अपने प्रोडक्ट से ज्यादा प्रॉफिट कमाना है, उसको हम मोनेटाइजेशन ऑफ प्रोडक्ट कहते हैं. मोनेटाइजेशन ऑफ स्किल कैसे करेंगे, क्योंकि स्किल तो एक लिमिटेड है. जैसे मेरे पास एज ए हीलर एक स्किल है, उसको मैं मोनेटाइज कर रही हूँ. दैट वर्ड इटसेल्फ, यू नो, मेक्स इट वेरी कमर्शियल. जबकि हम सोचते हैं कि हीलिंग या थेरेपीज या वो स्पिरिचुअल एंड की तरफ चला जाता है. So just tell me what exactly this term monetize your skill means in your world.
I'll give you analogy. This analogy I would like to share it with before Britishers or at that point of time. मुझे आप एक बात बताइए कि अगर हम लोग ब्रिटिशर्स के समय होते तो हम लोग क्या कर रहे होते? I'll ask you.
अभी तक भी गुलामी कर रहे होते हैं.
बियॉन्ड गुलामी मान लेते हैं. आई थिंक आप हीलिंग प्रोफेशन से आती हैं, तो उस समय आप कुछ झाड़ फूक कर रही होती है उनके शब्दों में.
उनके हिसाब से,
मतलब उस समय के हिसाब से. तो अब वो जो झाड़ फूक या तंत्र, मतलब जैसे आप कहते हैं कि पूजा पाठ, या जो भी हम लोग जिसे हम कहते हैं कि सेल्फ हीलिंग, जो हम लोग कहीं पे जाते हैं, या लेट्स से यू आर अ वीवर, एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम आपकी फैमिली का एक ट्रेडिशन चलता आ रहा है वीविंग, एंड यू न्यू वीविंग. तो मुझे बताइए कि व्हाट इज दैट? इट्स अ स्किल. आपने वीविंग करी, मोनेटाइज हो गया. अभी क्या हो गया? बिकॉज ऑफ द इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन वी हैव क्रिएटेड द मॉडर्न डे लेबरर्स. वी आर ऑल मॉडर्न डे लेबरर्स. सो मॉडर्न डे लेबरर्स बन गए हैं, मॉडर्न डे टेक्नोलॉजी आ गई है. तो वो जो बनाए गए थे उस समय ब्रिटिशर्स के समय पे या इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन के बाद, इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द पोस्ट इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन, it was all about creating the job for the accountant, accountant, A, B, C, D, X. Just it was about fitting the system. We were having the jobs to fit the system. But now you tell me, in the 21st century, how many jobs are available fitting the system? Because वो जो jobs बनी थी, accountant, teacher, trainer, whatever, उस समय पे accountant की job थी, एक officer, personal officer की job थी, मार्केटिंग तो खैर उस समय नहीं होती थी. सो जो भी जॉब्स उस समय बनाई गई, ऑल दोस जॉब्स वर रिलेटेड टू, बिकॉज दैट वाज द नीड ऑफ द आवर. बिकॉज ब्रिटिशर्स वांटेड, they don't need anybody to think.
They were not looking for creative people at all, basically.
तो जरूरत नहीं थी। लेकिन अब क्या हो गया है कि ये लुकिंग एट दिस 2000 आपका जो लास्ट रिसेशन आया, इफ आई टॉक अबाउट दैट 2010 रिसेशन और समथिंग लाइक दैट, लीमन ब्रदर्स का क्राइसिस आया, दिस क्राइसिस एक्चुअली गेव पीपल new thought, and this COVID again 2021, it has given you new thought, each one of us. Now taking back you to this, taking you to this analogy in a front way. आज आप, let's say मैं छोटी सी बात करता हूँ, let's say you are somebody who is having a restaurant, or somebody having a sweet shop, somebody having weaving knowledge. What are you doing? You are just passing that tradition and converting that to money. हमें सिर्फ मार्केट में अभी यही आता है कि आज हम लोग क्या करेंगे, 12th पास करेंगे, उसके बाद विल डू सम ग्रेजुएशन, विल डू सम पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन, and then we'll take a job of a because I'm UGC NET in economics and PhD also, so I'll, as a normal person you will look at कि marketing में चले जाएंगे, sales में चले जाएंगे, HR में चले जाएंगे, finance में चले जाएंगे. I think these are the core roles for which we are there, or there are software engineers or the engineers. You can have the roles of only BTech or MBAs, that's it, or even these chartered accountants or doctors. So I think these are the 4-5 jobs available in the market as of now. But to tell you openly and honestly, there are not so many jobs available. Almost, if you read and study and have the data, 2 billion jobs will be lost in the next 10 years. अगले 10 साल में 2 billion jobs चाहेंगे.
Okay, so Ashish ji, I'm sorry to interrupt you here. So what I understand is what we are creating here is everybody who's having any kind of skill. It could be in cooking, it could be in healing, it could be in art and craft. What we are doing here, or what you're trying to teach or communicate to the people here, is कि आप अपनी किसी भी skill से money generate कर सकते हैं. You can monetize your skill to generate income for yourself, right?
Correct.
Okay, so as our group is all full of those members who have their own startups, who have their own work, and those all are skilled people. Somebody is skilled in baking, somebody is skilled in healing, somebody is skilled in art and craft, somebody is skilled in painting. So actually they all are doing this work, but they are all doing in their small form forte, you know, जितना जिसका circle है वो उतने में कर रहा है. So now, how do you upgrade those people from what they are doing now to become a better person when it comes to monetizing their skill?
See, I'll tell you one very important thing. This e-learning industry in which I am, the e-learning business which I promote, basically the formula I have created, that is called IEBM, Independent E-Learning Business Model. It's a $380 billion industry by 2025. It was just $38 billion industry in 2019, 2 years ago. It's going to be 10 times. And it's not necessary that you should be a Baiju or you should be some other big company or some other. What right now is happening during the COVID time is the cost of education is going cheaper at just 1%. Let's say one thing. I'll give you one very simple answer. If two of us were, if you wanted to take my interview, or I would have, I wanted to speak to you or something like that, what would have required? I think I would have come to Delhi. You are in Gurgaon right now?
Yeah, Gurgaon.
Either you would have come to my place or I would have gone to your place. So that would have involved cost. That would have called infrastructure. That would have called, that would have required so many things. And looking at so many, at least bare minimum, I would have said that at least 10,000 rupees would have been expended just to complete this transaction. Now, tell me one thing, how are we doing this transaction?
We are doing online on the digital platform.
What is the cost?
As such, it's basically the online time of yours and online time of mine, and we are there on the platform, and now hundreds of people can see us.
And maybe the normal cost required is, I think if you are having a paid subscription with StreamYard, it's just $10, maybe just 700 rupees per month. So in 700 rupees, you are able to connect so many healers, trainers, coaches, individuals, and other people. That is the beauty of e-learning. So you can bring the cost from 100 rupees to just 1 rupee, a fraction, in just fraction of rupees. You can give your skill to people. And what is required right now is, because I have been into coaching and training industry, People don't want to move out of their homes. People do not want to move out of their comfort zones. People want to, but they want to learn. If let's say you gave an example of baking, there are so many people who are healers and then into baking and other things also at home. There are females. Most of the females want to learn baking, they want to learn cooking, but they don't have time to step out, because if you are in a metro place, I think सारा टाइम तो ट्रेवल करने में चला जाएगा, इवन बाय मेट्रो और बाय पर्सनल कम्यूटेशन और पर्सनल व्हीकल, फॉरगेट कम्यूटेशन, चाहे आप मेट्रो से जाओ, आप एयरप्लेन से तो ड्रॉप हो नहीं जाओगे। कि आपने बोला कि 4:30 का टाइमिंग है क्लास का आपका, आप 4:35 पे आपने 25 पे फ्लाइट ली या एयरप्लेन अपना हेलीकॉप्टर किया और उधर उनकी छत पे लैंड कर गए। इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल। हाँ,
I'm wishing we could do that, but अभी तो फिलहाल वो पॉसिबल लगता नहीं है।
ऐसा टेस्ला एंड वो शुरू होने वाले, आई थिंक उबर हेलीकॉप्टर्स आर गोइंग टू गेट स्टार्टेड वेरी सून।
वो हेली टॉपिक हो जाएगा, so it will again come back to the same platform where we are now. So because in platform there is not that kind of a traffic or time limitation or, as you said, cost involved, जिसके लिए हमें बहुत बार सोचना पड़े।
So time and cost, the biggest opportunity here is time and cost. Your client mentee is not at discomfort. That person is not requiring to leave the place. आपके mentee को अपनी जगह नहीं छोड़नी है, अपना time अपनी मर्जी से choose कर सकता है। See, there could be recorded lessons, there could be live lessons. Depends upon you and your client. Right now we are talking at 4 o'clock. It's almost like 4:17. It was mutually agreed. It was mutually agreed. This time was available with you. This time was available with me. And that's the beauty of, and what we are delivering content. And how we are delivering this content live. It's not necessary that you deliver, पहले आपको बहुत सारा लेसन स्ट्रक्चर तैयार करना पड़ेगा, दुनिया का एक मतलब एपिक कोर्स होना चाहिए, बहुत जबरदस्त कोर्स होना चाहिए जिसके लिए भीड़ लग जाए। Nothing like that. No. The only thing required here is you should be able to bring the results or bring transformation among your mentees or prospective clients or your client. If you are having existing clients, you should be able to bring results, transform their lives. That's what is, because everybody is looking for WIIFM. What's in it for me? The people who are watching here right now, Dr. Neelam and me, they just want to know why they are here, why you are here, why I'm here is what's in it for me. The only thing every client, every mentee, every prospective customer wants is mere liye kya hai. And the beauty of this e-learning model is दूसरे के लिए सब कुछ है. If there is nothing for the other person, that person has the time and the liberty to leave the place immediately. In a physical situation, it is very difficult to leave that hall, that big hall with 100 people or 50 people. There is a social pressure not to leave. There is other pressure, time pressure. Money invest कर दिया है, 2000 रुपए टिकट के दिए हैं, 3000 रुपए आपने दिए हैं. That person cannot leave. But here, the person has the time and liberty, and it's very easy. It's like perfect competition kind of thing. It's very easy to enter the market. It's very easy to leave the market. And if you are able to bring results
as per your time convenience, as per your comfortable situations, और आपको जितना करना है आप उतना कीजिए. ये आपके ऊपर है कि आप कितना टाइम इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं इसमें, कितना एनर्जी इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, कितना मनी इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं. नाउ व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट टाइम एंड मनी, there's also one more thing. आज की तारीख में लोग कम से कम टाइम में ज्यादा से ज्यादा मनी कन्वर्जन चाहते हैं. Although I actually feel there has to be some balance between time and money conversion, क्योंकि आप ख्याली दुनिया में भी नहीं रह रहे हैं. You are living in a practical world. So if you are giving a session for 1 hour or 2 hours, you have a certain limit to it. कि इसमें आपका इतना revenue generate हो सकता है. अगर आप उससे ज्यादा का सोच रहे हैं तो then you require more time for it. I believe in this concept, but I would like you also to throw some light on it. क्योंकि बहुत से लोग क्या है कि जोश में चीजें चालू तो करते हैं, because online business is very easy to start, as you said. उसमें कोई इतना बड़ा इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं होता कि आप उसमें सोच के करें. लेकिन जब हम उसको चालू करते हैं उसके बाद बहुत से लोग थोड़े टाइम के बाद निकल आते हैं. They don't understand that it requires a little time to invest in that business, build that business and get the returns. So I would like you to throw a little light on that for members to understand कि अगर आप कोई नया बिजनेस कर रहे हैं तो उसका कितना टाइम फ्रेम होना चाहिए जिस हिसाब से आप बोलो कि आपको इतना तो देना पड़ेगा अगर आपने उसमें रिजल्ट्स देखना चाह रहे हैं तो.
See, I'll not mention the time frame here. I'll mention two things here.
Okay.
The first thing is the VCP model. That's
What
called VCP was given by BNI that I've heard of earlier also, and I'm following this. It's called visibility. First, people should know you.
Okay.
Are you visible? Ask yourself. For any person who is watching this video, look at this. This is a metric. This is basically a metric. How many people, among how many people you are visible?
Okay. So you're talking about visibility on the digital platform, right?
Yes. See, मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? See, either you can book 12,000 square feet space and then call people, sell tickets, or now the easiest way of doing a social this personal branding is social media. The best branding and the easiest and the cost effective branding you can have is the social media branding. So bring visibility, talk about your subject among different platforms. Look at different platforms. There is LinkedIn, there is Facebook, there is Twitter, there is medium.com, there is YouTube. Look at which platform is actually where are your customers?
Okay.
Where are they? Bring visibility among your customers, prospective customers, future customers, existing customers. And it helps your existing customers also, because if you are a mentor and there is a mentee will also feel that, oh wow, my mentor is there online. Ye kuch na kuch karte rehte hain. He is good. He is fine. So that again will generate trust. And it will replicate. So first is visibility, then is credibility. So if you are visible, you will be credible. There will be credibility among the people. Okay, I know him. Oh, he talks about baking. Yeah. He talks about social media. Yeah, I know him, that guy. And cooking classes. Wow, she is really good. I've seen her cooking classes somewhere. पता नहीं कहीं तो YouTube पे भी देखा है. So people resemble you as a brand. They know your name. They know your subject. So when your name and subject is resonating, the third thing will come. That is profitability. Yes. And the second model I would like to tell you is answering your question. Why people are not able to follow what they are taking. It's almost like it goes in the air like New Year resolution. Yeah. It goes in the air like New Year resolution. Why it happens is because when you are following somebody, if somebody's YouTube channel is hit, somebody's monetizing his concept or model or system, and then you follow, this is the right model. This is the perfect model. मुझे यही copy करना है बस. And that's where you go wrong. Because you are copying other person, you are not copying your heart. You have to copy your heart.
You have to be authentic.
And copy your heart means you have to look at your passion. But there is a fine line here. Passion बहुत जल्दी hobby में भी convert हो सकता है. It has to convert to profession also.
True.
You should be passionate about a topic, industry, or something like this. If you're not passionate, 1 महीने में, 2 महीने में, 3 महीने में, 5 महीने में, 6 महीने में, whatever it is, the balloon would either burst or just fly away.
And I think the moment you start getting money or profit from your passion, it gives you more motivation to drive that passion.
That is
so
what
itself is a very big motivation factor in any kind of work that you are doing.
That is why I have brought this term called monetization. See, I have read it somewhere. I've realized it, that if you are not selling, you are cheating.
If you're not selling,
if you're not selling, you're cheating. I'll give you one answer now. Okay. Let's say you are thirsty. You are thirsty. And I have a water bottle. I have a water bottle, which I normally sell at 20 rupees. You are thirsty. And because I know you, I said, Dr. Neelam se kya paise lene? I will be in dilemma. Either I should give it for free. If I give it for free, I am at loss. If I do not give you, I am cheating. I am actually not doing the right job or right service or anything like that. So what is better? What is the best solution? Tell me.
Give it on a discounted rate, maybe.
Maybe if it is not 20, at least 16 rupees le lo, whatever my cost is, or 18 rupees.
Bottles also, and the other person also knows that you realize that that person is in need.
Then what will happen? Tell me. See, one more thing. I'll take you two options now. The first option is I haven't sold the bottle. मैंने bottle को sell ही नहीं किया, अपने पास रख लिया. I said no, I don't have the water bottle or something like this, because I didn't want to take money. Now what will happen is next time when some other person is thirsty, I don't know how to ask for money, and that's where the many people are there in the market. They have very good products. They have very good products. They have their amazing bottle. They have their amazing water. They have their that water that's called mountain.
Basically.
So they have that amazing water. They have that purity. They have the essence. They have everything, but they cannot ask for money. Now you tell me, if you cannot ask for money, there is a guilt, there is a fear, there is a failure, there is negativity, plus आपने अपना नुकसान तो किया ही, अपने सामने वाले का भी नुकसान क्या किया, उस बेचारे को प्यासा मार दिया.
Okay.
Instead, monetize whatever you have. If you have that water bottle, see, these are the basics which we can go on. If we go on the streets, we can see so many small kids of whatever age they are selling something. Somebody selling vegetables at some. अब जब आप road side पे जाते हैं, somebody is selling samosa, somebody is selling other things. They are not. And if you ask them, they'll give you amazing gyan of about money.
True.
Monetization. They'll give you, and if you ask them,
very, very good. Actually, they can make out looking at your face कि आपको भूख लगी है, आपको प्यास लगी है, आपकी क्या जरूरत है.
And if you ask them कि बेटा ये आप इतने छोटे हो, आप ऐसा क्यों करते हो, कर लेंगे, and he'll give you very amazing ज्ञान. He said, जब मेरे पास है तो मुझे देने में क्या दिक्कत है.
True. So that's what it is. Basically, we have lots of people here also on our platform, on our members. I know some of them are very skilled people, but they have not been able to channelize that energy in getting into that stage where they can sell their products or sell their skill and get it monetized. And those who are doing it, they also need to be very persistent and consistent in doing that so that their passion can give them profitability. Now, I've heard a very specific workshop that you do on this monetization of your skills. I would like to know a little bit about that workshop, because
workshop, I call it as a IEBM monetization challenge. I call it as a challenge because there are certain actions you need to undertake, and it's a challenge because see, there are almost like 5 modules there, and it requires 5 hours for me to deliver that content to you. And in the module number 1, I actually talk about what is this system all about, what is this called how can you generate this, what does model require, what does IEBM require. IEBM stands for Independent E-Learning Business Model. So what are the basics of IEBM? Then I talk about how can you start your independent e-learning business model. Then I take you towards the third part of the story. I also take in between the basics of money, because I have been talking about the whole system rests upon 3 things called PSB. It's me basically, PSB. PSB is, first is my personal development. Second is spirituality, and third is business. With personal development, I get clarity about my goals. With spirituality, I get clarity about my service. With business, I get clarity about the profits. So what I talk about here is also about the basics of money. Why should you earn money, and what does money require, and how can you generate money? Because the psychology of money is also very important. If you don't have, that's what, right, in today also I have tried to, maybe some people would have found it wrong that Ashish is saying, agar main hota to main free mein bottle de deta. But I would have said that, okay, don't give it free, charge something. So the third point is, once you have clarity about how to start the system, what is the system, how to start the system, then you need to be very clear about what's your niche. Because in the digital domain, yes, I'll talk about particularly about digital domain. In the normal domain, it will work. कि आपके पास बहुत सारे मिठाई वाले हैं, यहाँ पे there are so many sweet shops, there are so many restaurants, you are just one among them, that's okay, चलेगा. But in the digital domain, it will not work. नहीं चलेगा. In the digital domain, you have to be some expert. Why some expert? Because look at the doctors. There is a doctor who is a general practitioner. There is a doctor who is a specialist. And you will always find people in queues outside the clinic of that specialist, or you need to define who you are. So you need to define, you need to separately define. Then you need to test your model. It's called a 5P test. Then you need to find out, because now you have understood what's your niche, what's your ability is, who you are, what separates you from others. What separate dish you have for the other people. You need to look at and create that. Then you look for the people. Where are my people? Then you go out in the market, search for your customers. Where are my customers? So I also take a special Dream 100 workshop here, where I tell people how to look out for your customers. Where are your customers? Then I also talk about, we have a special goal setting session also happening here inside the workshop. And then we also take up towards the multiple streams of income. What are the different methods in the digital models through which you can generate money? See, we also talk about that. So that's IEBM is generally a 5 days model.
Thank you so much, Ashish ji, for doing such a big favor to our members. And yes, you wanted to say.
Do I have the permission to ask you a question?
Sure, please.
Okay, thank you. What I would like to ask you is, because you have already attended the workshop, you have already invested 5 days. So what's your biggest takeaway from this workshop that you can share with the other people? Because that's openly, I would like to ask you, this is open platform. You can give that workshop a 0 star, or you can give that workshop a 5 star or whatever.
Oh, okay, so this is definitely a 5-star workshop, because if it would have been anything lesser than that, I wouldn't have recommended it to anybody, not even to my members. And I'm doing on a live show, so you can understand this workshop is amazing. That's the reason I'm going ahead and recommending it to everybody. It was an amazing workshop. It is a very good eye-opener even for the people who are working in this industry of digital sales and e-business from a long time. Because as we are working, there are so many things we still don't know on a technical basis. There are so many things which we kind of neglect, because we keep on doing the same work, and we do get results, but we are never able to cross that bar and move a second level. This workshop has helped me move to that second level, and I'm sure everybody, it is not for beginners, it is for people who already have established business also, who has been on the digital platform from last 5 years. I have been on this platform from last 5 years, and it has helped me taking that leap ahead to increase my profit, at least to see the clarity where my profits are lying and how I can grab them. So that's one major plus point I had after attending your workshop. It was eye-opener for me. And trust me, I was so apprehensive before joining it, because the moment it says monetize, I thought it must be all about numbers and percentages. And that was such a big surprise. In the whole 5 days, there's nothing about numbers that we talk. All the insights are so different than the word. It is like, it is such a pleasure to have that workshop, and I would be attending it again with all of you, because I would love to do that once again, if Ashish ji allows me to come to the platform again and attend that workshop.
Most welcome. I would love to have you there.
Thank you so much, Ashish ji, for giving us your time today, and thank you so much for giving us so many tips. And also, we are looking forward to go for this workshop. Anything you would like to add before we wind up this session for our members?
I just would like to say thank you to you and all your Nature's Grace healing community. And I would just like to add on one thing only. See, all are healers. I also did some kind of, because I'm also from, I love spirituality. I've also been into some spiritual proceedings and different sessions. And we have been hearing about affirmations and ABCD, XYZ things. And think good, think big, and think about how rich you can, think about ABCD, XYZ. But you know one thing, the only thing that can convert that affirmation or visualization to the realization, the only missing link is action.
True. Action is required.
So I would only ask people, if there is a spark of light, if there is some spark after looking at, or spark that has actually told you, I should go and take action, don't stop. do not stop. Because if you stop, forget everything, then it's all your affirmation, visualization, and manifestation. And because that missing link is now.
Action. Thank you so much, Ashish ji. And on this note, we would like to say thank you to you for coming here today and giving us so much of enlightenment.